Hello, good evening, fellow traders. Welcome again to our weekly trading analysis. Today, I'm going to talk about an important aspect of trading that most of the time we fail to ignore when we are doing our usual trading analysis. And what I'm going to talk about is what we call market analysis. Intermarket analysis. So this is what we are going to talk about today. Intermarket analysis is when you're doing analysis of your trade is simply by looking at the relationship between one market, how one market affects other markets. An example is when USD is affected by the price of gold and is also affected by the price of oil. So if you are trading anything USD, then you have to look at the price of gold. Is the price of gold strong? Is it going up or is it going down? Is oil price also heading upwards or is oil price heading downwards? If you look at this relationship, then it can also help you to know what's happening. As you can see, you have the pound getting stronger against the USD, and if you look for gold and oil, I think gold is also getting weaker. So this type of relationships helps you to make a decision on what you usually trade. Second thing also is the currency pairs that you want to trade. You can look at, you want to trade the euro against the pound, so you can look at the single the features trades on the pound and look at the features trade on the euro again, the trend, and see, is the euro stronger than the pound or is the pound stronger than the euro? When you know what is happening this way, it helps you to use your it helps you to add something to your analysis, whatever strategy that you are using. And this also helps you to make a good decisions, overall trend, where the trend is going. So intermarket analysis is very, very good, as the price of oil and gold affects almost everything that we do. So as traders, if you are not aware, this is one asset that you can add to your strategy or your technical analysis. Another good news about FTMO: this morning I woke up and I went to FTMO website, and then what did I see at FTMO website? Well, look at it now. FTMO website now, you can actually take a $200,000 account. What does that mean? This means that now probably you will have a potential 400,000 apart from the scaling plan that they have. $400,000 funding for each individual. Traders, isn't this good? So this is the time we have to leverage. This is the time we have to take our trading game and stick strictly discipline and get the funds which can change our lives forever and stop the 9-to-5 job. So FTMO is the best and is offering us a chance to be financially free. So let us all bring our A games, learn from the mistakes that we've made from our previous failures, then get the funding that we need, because I think this is a very, very good thing for everybody. is very, very good for everybody trading. Before it was 300,000 and you can do 100,000 four times. Now it's 200,000. So if you are now starting, you just, and you can afford, you just go straight to 200,000 two times and you have your 400k funding and you start trading. So this is very, very good. I'm glad I'm working with FTMO, and hopefully I get fully funded soon, and then yes. So this is something that I wanted to let everybody know. So those of you who are not aware, or if you still believe that FTMO is a scammer, this is, it's not a scamming. I mean, I've shown you several proof and stuff, and I don't think I owe anybody to show somebody what it is again. So it's up to you to believe or not to believe. But like I said, the market is there. Intermarket analysis, that is very good trade. It's very good analysis to add to your arsenal, and it will help you clearly know what you're doing, where to go, where to trade, which buyers you have to look at. This is going to help you. It helps me a lot. I use it a lot, and I don't trade a lot now, apart from unless I want to scalp. Even scalping, I wait for when we have good setups. Like on today, we have a very, very good trade on the US 30, and we have also very, very good sell trade earlier on, and you can see how choppy it is, but this was a good clear trade. And also gold was very, very weak. Let me see if I can find gold for you. So gold is taking a lot of beating. I wouldn't waste much time today, because this was just a very short clip to just quickly bring your attention to intermarket analysis, and also let you know what's new with FTMO, the news that I saw today, which made me jump out of my bed. So it's very, very good. It means now when you have 400,000 and consistently you make is it 10% or 20%, you qualify also for the scaling plan. You qualify for the scaling plan, which is 25% or so. So FTMO is changing lives. If you are not aware, they are changing lives. There is no rush. Just take your time. Take your time. Do your trades, and then this is spot gold here. So yeah, I have spot gold here. You can see very, very weakness of gold here from about 1804, or even if you go a little bit higher from 18, and this is, if you look at the daily chart, this is today's trade from 1730. Boom. So gold is still showing a lot of weakness. So if you know gold, and you can see what oil also is doing, that helps you to know, okay, this is what's going to happen in my cable and other trades that I'm doing. Because you see, oil is actually strong. Today it was very weak from about 3 days ago, but today you have a very good strength from oil. And overall, I would say beginning of the third month of the year. Yes, so the overall for this year, oil has been positive, very strong. And if you want to also look at gold, you put it on the monthly chart, you can see This is this very candle is this month, March. So this is January, this is February, and this is January. You see, it's been very weakness, it's showing weakness. So that will actually give you some ideas of what you're gonna do. And this is the USD card, also very strong. So I hope in all you do understand what I have. I'm trying to draw your attention to intermarket analysis. So if you haven't tried, try to now add it to your arsenal and see the relationship, and know that gold and oil do affect most of the other things, from indices to everything that we trade. So you are now going to pay attention to when you are doing your analysis. Next week I'll bring you something good. So stay humble, stay safe, and I'll see you again. Bye.